Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust your pad settings and keys on Xbox One S. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our settings, and from here find devices and connection, open your accessories. From here you'll be able to find all connected wireless controllers or wired controllers. So select to configure it. From here you can see your default controller right here, and also you can create a new profile. Change the name for the profile, then go to the next step, and in this step you'll be able to customize this controller to whatever you like. So you can map A buttons from, for example, A button to X button, and etc. So change any of the settings and then go back. Or if you want to reset all of them to default, click on it, then click on restore, and your pad will be restored to all default settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.